So, cold noodles. You know that most cold noodles are actually room temperature noodles? It's just not as catchy? Well, not the cold noodle dish today. We are making a Korean inspired summer noodle dish. It's got lots of veggies and fruits, yes fruits, also paired with some super nutty and ice cold buckwheat noodles and spicy gochujang sauce, and I can't guys, I can't. My name is Andong and this is my Korean inspired Jaengban Guksu bowl. Just real quick before we get started, if you like learning about and recreating mouth-watering dishes from all over the world, you have most certainly come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell for weekly food inspiration. Alright, but first we need buckwheat noodles. Go ahead and find your Asian grocery store noodle section and then you will find them under many names, but most commonly soba. Yes, that famous Japanese soba. If you didn't know, that's exactly what we're looking for. Buckwheat noodles. Now bring some water to a simmer and add your buckwheat noodles. They're actually pretty quick. They should be done in 3 to 4 minutes, but what you can do is just occasionally take one of them out and then see if it's at that perfect al dente point yet. When done, rinse them really well under cold water and drizzle with some sesame oil just to prevent them from sticking. Okay, we're actually already done with the noodles. We're moving on to the sauce, for which you will need a food processor. Roughly chop half of an apple, ginger, a shallot and some garlic. And now, in your blender, add a generous dollop of gochujang, sugar, soy sauce, sesame seeds and freshly cracked pepper. And this beautiful fruity mixture is what you are going to blend into a smooth paste, adding water if necessary until you end up with something like this. And just a quick side note, I used apple in this recipe and my Korean friends are probably about to kill me because a traditional recipe would of course call for an Asian or Korean pear. If you have that around, great, go for it, for sure. But now it's already time to work on our toppings. I love how in Korean cuisine sometimes vegetables and fruits are just shamelessly mixed together in savory dishes, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Here's the second half of that apple we used before. I'm just gonna julienne this, and then here is the cucumber, same idea, take out the core and julienne. Then we're gonna grab a couple of carrots, same spiel, and the shallot. Then some daikon radish, why not? And you know what? Some watermelon, because I can. And last but not least, wash some mung bean sprouts and arrange your perfectly julienne toppings into a neat Korean mise en place, if you're making a video. Assembly time. Freshen up your nudes under cold water for a second and then place them in a bowl. Big surprise. And then add your toppings, and this is where you can make things look real pretty. Now add a very healthy dollop of fruity gochujang sauce on top. And don't forget to top off with a few ice cubes. Garnish with some sesame seeds and spring onions. And what a visually pleasing dish, you guys. Trust me, it also tastes incredible. This dish is really interesting. It's like somewhere between a fruit salad and a bowl of ramen. It's like right there in the middle. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like what you're seeing on this channel, you can head over to my Patreon page and support me in creating more of these videos and get your weekly food inspiration fix. Needless to say, guys, I will be eternally grateful. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.